What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video, and today I am bringing you here in my garage because I'm going to be working on the green machine today, and we are going to be putting on the 5-speed right there that I got just chilling right there. Oh shit, it's a little too zoomed in right there. And I was going to wait to do the 6-speed swap, but I've decided since I had the 5-speed there and I don't want the car down for that long, I'm just going to throw the 5-speed in it. And then I'm still going to take the 6-speed to get the gears switched over to the P12 bell housing and stuff. I'm still going to have that there. So when I pick it up, I just going to have it just chilling, ready to go. So when this other 5-speed does break, I could just throw everything on finally once and for all. I just have that 5-speed chilling there. So might as well just use it and get some runs in it, do some digs, break it. You know, if it breaks sooner than later, then that's fine. If it breaks in 2 passes, that's cool, whatever. If it breaks in 20 passes, 100 passes, then that's cool too. But yep, I'm gonna jack up the car right now, take the wheels off, drain the fluid, pop the axles out. I just don't have my tranny jack with me. I forgot it at my sister's house. So I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow and grab it. But for now, I'm just gonna pop the wheels off, drain the fluids, and get the axles out at least and see what else I can do. So let's get this started. All right, guys, I got the car jacked up. It's all good. Got it chalked, good on jack stands and everything. Did the shake test. Now I'm going to take the wheels off. I'm gonna pop the fluid out and then pop the axles out, get the clutch cable off. So yeah, let's get that going right now. Yep, there you go, guys. This is the drain plug off the green machine tranny that's in there right now. So yep, that's pretty screwed. That's pretty fucked. Alenja just texted me right now. But yep, I got the rest of it draining right there. Looks like my bucket's pretty full already. I don't think I probably need to drain it, but yep, I'm gonna just keep it chugging along, and yep, we'll see you guys on the next step. All right, guys, a little update. I got the starter out, 2 starter bolts, the power ground down there, drained the fluid. I'm about to get the cotter pins out to take the axle nut off, take off these 18s or 17s. I don't remember what they are exactly in there on both sides. And then I'm gonna pop the axles out. The passenger side has the 312s, you know, the half shaft bolts, pop them out, pops right out. Other side, the driver's side, just gotta pull on it, tug on it, and then it should come right out. Make sure your car's in neutral, obviously. And then that should be it for that. Get the clutch cable off. And I think that should be it for now. Obviously, you gotta do the cross member stuff, like take the 14s out, the 14s and all that shit. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow since I don't have my tranny jack or nothing like that. So yep, I'll see you guys right now once I get the axles out. All right, half shaft bolts are out. I'm gonna just pop this sucker right out. There you go, just like that. Just like that. One axle is out, and yeah, it's a great way to finish it. Okay, guys, I got both axles out finally. Tranny's almost ready to come out. All next I'm gonna do is drop the shift linkage, and after that, I think I'll call it a night from there. And then tomorrow, everybody should be here, and they should bring my tranny jack, and we could finish dropping it, open it up, and then we'll put the new tranny in. So I'll see you guys when the shift linkage is done. What's up, you guys? It is the next night, and we got Handiki, Robskirt, Lynch. We're working on the green machine. We Lynch already got this started. We got the shift linkage disconnected, like I said in the last clip, and we got the cross member out right there. And then always left is just the bell housing bolts, and the tranny should be good to drop. Oh shit, splashed around by itself. And then, yep. And the other tranny. Oh, it's your light. and then, yeah, we should be good to go and put that other tranny on. And it's a 1320 night, I guess, so we're trying to get this shit done ASAP. So I'm sorry in advance if I don't.
It's 8:30 and it's at 10.
Fuck, we have
It's 8:30 right now.
All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we got the tranny in. We got the bell housing bolts going in. Hando's helping me out real quick. And we just got, I think we can just start tying them now with the gun.
Yeah.
And then we can start putting everything back together, like the cross member, linkage, and all that little stuff. And then pump some fluid in it, and the car should be good to go.
Have I seen it? No.
Okay, you guys, this is pretty much a failed mission because the car was not ready to go by 10 o'clock to go to 1320s. The stupid fucking drain plug, fill plug for this tranny that I'm putting on is stripped to the max. So we have to, and the speed sensor, because you know you can do it through the speed sensor, couldn't take it off. So I was trying to do it through the freaking, the breather hose down here. Where is it? Right down there. But it was just going way too slow. So we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna take Lencho's car. He's putting air in his slicks right now, and we're gonna head out. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this tomorrow and test it out, I guess. And then yeah, that should be it. What is up, you guys? It is the next day from the last clip you guys saw. As you guys remember, I was trying to get the green machine ready for some 1320s, but obviously I couldn't get the car on time because that whole fill plug was stripped out and stuff. But I'm gonna leave that alone. But get ready for that 1320 video because it is a good video in my opinion. So I hope you guys are excited for that. And so right now I'm gonna stop working on the green machine for now. And I got the old tranny right here. I'm about to flip it over on the side. I'm gonna open it and we get to see what happened on the inside, what the damage is. So yeah, let's get that started right now. Just a quick inspection. So, all right, guys, upon a 5-second inspection, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got metal shavings right here on the casing part, just a little bit, and then let's look at the gears. And yep, look at that, right out. Look at all those metal shavings right there. Holy guacamoles. Damn, that's bad. Look at that. Holy shit. Then you could tell right here. I don't know anything about like the inside trannies, honestly, so I can't tell you what is what or what the hell, so I'd rather not say and sound like an idiot, but damn, that's fucked to the max. All right, guys, now that we know the carnage of the transmission and everything, I'm gonna go back working on the green machine, and I'm going to attempt to fill the tranny fluid, and then after that, just put the car back together and go test it out, and hopefully the car moves, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Little update, you guys. I finally got the stupid speed sensor out. Freaking finally, this thing was such a pain in the ass. Words cannot describe how much of a pain in the ass this was to get it out. I don't think it was supposed to be this hard, but I do not know why it gave me such a problem to get this bitch out. But it's out nonetheless. I can finally fill up my gear fluid and finish this car up. Hopefully it won't take too long. So yep, I'll see you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? I am bringing you with another update. I took a little break earlier, but I'm back at it. But I got the axles in, I got the tranny filled. This job has been a pain in my ass. I don't know why. Like, I've never had so many issues, but I overfilled it to the max. I made a big ass mess on the floor. But I got the transmission mounted all up good. I got the axles in, like I said, just right now. I got the shift linkage hooked back up. And then what else? Oh, I got to do the cross member. Where the hell did I put it? It's on the other side. And then after the cross member stuff, like with the motor mount, what else do I need to do? Oh, I'm gonna double check the bell housing bolts, make sure they're all tight, and then adjust the clutch cable. And I think that's it. Then obviously, then put the axles through the hubs, put the axle nut on and all that stuff. But after that, I think the car should be done. But yeah, I'll see you guys probably when the car is back underground, hopefully soon. What's up, you guys? I'm back in the green machine. I'm letting it warm up right now. I just set it on my tablet right here. I got my voltmeter, AFR, boost, engine temp, engine RPM, data log, started and stopped. So the car's pretty much almost up to temp already. And I'm just gonna do a quick test. Oh shit, why is it on? Oh, you like that? We're just gonna see real quick if it moves under its own power. It's in neutral right now, so let's put it in reverse. Ooh, like nothing. And let's see. Yup, reverse is good. First, it is good. Hell yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the GoPro on and we're gonna take this out for a test rip. Alright guys, we're about to go take the car out for a rip. Car's up to temp. So let's see. So far, so good. All right, guys. I'm not gonna do a first gear pull. I'm just gonna do a second gear pull. Flip right side up. I hit start logging. The log get started. Oh my god, my alignment's so fucked. To get in alignment ASAP. All right guys, we are back in the garage, and as you guys saw, the car is back. It's good, it's running good. I checked the logs, all is good. I do just need an alignment now, which sucks, but it is what it is. I just gotta find somebody who could do an alignment on this thing because it sits pretty low and the intercooler sits pretty low. But other than that, everything's good. And I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So I hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.